Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today we're gonna have a special phone, that's the Matrix phone. Yep, that's it. But today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset the Nokia 8110. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or does the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, you need to power off your device. When the device is turned off, press and hold volume, and this is not volume, this is the up button here and power button together. Okay, release all the key and just wait. Okay, here you got a special utility screen which we're gonna choose wipe data factory reset. And go yes. Phone now formatting data and wiping all the cache. That's it. Now reboot system now, and phone I'm gonna be start with the new fresh firmware without any password on it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!